Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with JJRC, and today I have the JJRC H98 drone, and I bought this brand new from a hobby shop out of California on eBay. And I love shopping eBay, and this drone right here is going to kick off my eBay series, oldies but goodies. I bought several of just these old drones. They're hard to find parts for, but I love flying them. I mean, they deserve to be flown. And you get a reduced rate, and I got this one for $20 sent to the house, and it is a lot of fun to fly. It comes with the controller, which is pretty big, and I like this controller. This controller actually controls a few other of my drones. This is your speed button right here, and there's two of them, and your picture button, and it's a quick click to take a picture and press and hold to take video. These are nothing, they don't do anything. These are your trim buttons, left and right, up and down, your on off button. And yeah, it's great. And these two buttons don't do anything either. It takes 4 triple or AA batteries, and it's fake LCD screen. Yeah, it's got a pretty good light show on it. It does have headless mode, one press automatic return. I've not tried that, and I don't even see how that would work with this drone. It is totally manual, and it comes with 6 prop guards, so that's kind of nice. So if you break one of the ones you have, you do have, you know, a couple others to come with, extra set of screws that hold these legs down right here, and it comes with 6 of these legs. And I rather would fly without the legs on it and the prop guards. Comes with a charger for your battery that comes with, and I've ordered a bunch of these batteries. They're pretty cheap. I think it was $14 for 5 of them with the little charger it comes with, and these are 400 milliamps. When it came with, the ones I ordered are, I believe, 500 milliamps. I don't have any over here. Yeah, I think they're 500s, but yeah, and it comes with a little charger on its own. And yeah, we're just gonna charge it there. And it only gives you 2 props, one or the other. Kind of a bummer there. I've been kind of searching for them on AliExpress and all those websites, eBay. Haven't been able to actually pinpoint where you get a set of these props. They're really cool though, because they stand out when you're flying, and then it's pretty cool drone. It's really fast. It's pretty maneuverable. It handles really well. It comes with this little teeny, I think it was a 2 megapixel camera or something here with SD card. It came with a 4 gigabyte SD card, and I put a 16 in it because it does the loop record, and it'll actually record over your old stuff. And it actually has a microphone that is there, but it makes a lot of noise, and you don't really, you can't hear anything. It's just a lot of prop wash and wind noise that goes past it. Maybe I can put a windsock in there. Yeah, it's right down in there. Yeah, and it's fully adjustable. And what's cool is it's removable, so you can lighten it up, and this kind of snaps back off. This slides in here. The reason I have these rubber bands on is because my battery door does not like to stay shut, especially if the cameras on it was flopping. So it'd flop, and then you couldn't see anything anyway, so it works out great. And when this battery door is off, I can experiment with other batteries I have. I have some longer batteries that, well, the Andromeda batteries that I have will, rubber band here. They're pretty long, and they were 1,000 milliamp, and this thing will fly pretty good. Yeah, I have drilled some holes, and I have attached a FPV camera to it, and that's kind of cool too, because you don't get a Wi-Fi feed from this. You get your SD card out, put it in your computer, and that's how you kind of view what you have. Or if you put it in your phone or whatever. I like this for real-time flying. It's kind of nice, and we got a lot of footage of that. This thing's yaw too is just, it's crazy fast. It spins pretty fast. This thing doesn't weigh hardly anything. I don't think it weighs. This is painted, and I've noticed because I've been kind of flying it quite a bit, the paint's wearing off, which is kind of a bummer, but yeah, it is paint because this is rubbing off as I rub it here. So they must have painted these back in the day. I think this drone here is about 7 years old, and I was able to, find one brand new, and they still had several in stock. So yeah, check out this flight footage. We had a lot of fun with this drone. Okay, fresh set of batteries in this thing. Hopefully we got it. Hit that record button, and here we go. Now we should be okay without interference. If not, it could be the fire hall causing me some interference, but it's doing fine now. Got pretty good fly range. Yeah, never discredit old drones, man. Bought several of these off of eBay recently, and I love them all, man. They all, other than a Vista I bought. So I'm flashing in low voltage, but she's still going good. Okay, I kind of put this thing down on purpose, but you know, I like playing with this thing just like by itself with the camera off, all that. And I'll give them little tosses like this, like a frisbee. Again, just kind of give it a toss. Whoops, drop it. Middle of the toss. Oh, that sun's bright. This thing back over here. There we go. Give it another little flick. This thing's so light and durable. I love it. I couldn't beat it for 20 bucks on eBay. They still had a few more left in their store. Yeah, I highly recommend that if you can get a hold of a JJRC H98. This is a really good drone. I absolutely love this thing. Couldn't go wrong. I almost should have bought two, but I did notice that there are still parts availability on AliExpress and on Banggood, and they had props on Amazon